First, let's do the exercise. Now let's do the etude. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in the next presentation. And also, I hope to see you on my Patreon page or maybe on my YouTube membership site. Both are paid site. I get a very, very small fee for you to join, but it supports what I'm doing and it will provide more chances for me to create great content such as this. So I hope you would consider to support me this way, and thank you.